Have you ever looked at a fellow Jew, maybe someone on the complete opposite side of the political spectrum, and thought, how can you think that? How can you act against your own people? You aren't alone. 100 years ago, leading rabbis were asking the same question. Rav Kook, the first chief rabbi of Israel, was once challenged by a famous genius known as the Ridvaz. The Ridvaz asked him, how can you embrace people who break the rules? How can you bring wicked people close? He even brought sources quoting Kabbalah to prove that these people should be pushed away. Rav Kook's response was a game changer. He basically said, you think you know Kabbalah, but you're missing the point. He explained that every single Jew is actually two things at once: essence and choice. Here is the secret. The essence is the pure jar of oil. It is a soul that wants to do good, wants to fix the world, and is literally a piece of the divine. That is a law of nature. It cannot change. But then there's choice. Not every person realizes where that inner drive comes from. We see this today. Some Jews volunteer to help those who might want to harm them simply because they refuse to let hatred change who they are. It sounds crazy, right? But it's actually a clash between their inner Jewish essence, which loves kindness, and their conscious choices, which are confused. They're trying to fix the world because their soul demands it, even if their political compass is broken. So the next time you get into an argument with someone who seems disconnected from their people, take a step back. Don't just see the villain. Look for the pure jar of oil inside them. They want to do good just like you. If we can realize that we're just two sides aiming for the same goal, the argument changes completely. The real miracle isn't just surviving, it's realizing that even when we disagree, the flame inside is the same.